Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a get ready with me in Maui, Hawaii. If you guys could not tell, I am here with Benefit Cosmetics. They decked out our rooms with a little ukulele, a bag, featuring their new Hula Bronzer, Zero Tan lines. Love this. It's a body bronzer. It's not transferable. It's great. I am here with Peter. I have so much to say today. Peter, come and say hi. Why you red?
Aloha.
Aloha. Peter is wearing She Better Wear. This looks crusty.
I tried my best. I tried to
embarrass me.
I'll repaint it.
Speaking of Formula X, if you guys have been taking pictures with my display in the store, hashtag PatrickStarrr in Sephora. Here are some pictures of some of you. You guys make me freaking smile. This has been like by far the best month ever. It has been nothing but love and positivity and a bunch of trips, and it's been so overwhelming seeing all your love on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. So if you guys see my display in Sephora before the month ends, hashtag PatrickStarrr in Sephora. If you guys have already uploaded it to social media, hashtag PatrickStarrr in Sephora. Tweet me, and I love you guys so much. If you guys like this video, give this a thumbs up. And let's get right into the get ready with me. Alright you guys, so I am here in Maui. I'm doing a Benefit Get Ready With Me. I have so much product to Benefit. I'm gonna do my stuff of course, but I just wanted to do a Get Ready With Me. So let's start. So first things first, I'm gonna take my Dior Air Flash. Thank God I got another bottle of this because I just love this foundation and I love taking it with my professional. Why did I rush into foundation? But this is what I use. I did shave. So today we laid out in the pool. Peter's here with me. Say hello.
Hello. Ha.
Aloha. Oh my god. Show them the drone. Show it to them.
I'm naked.
Come. It's okay. You're not naked. They're gonna think we're weird. You're just wearing shorts. They're like, ew.
Hi guys. Hi.
So we're here. Oh, by the way, my shirt says resting beach face. I love these like, oh. I love these kind of crop tops that they give us because they're so cute. So Peter was flying the drone like by the cabana just to get some shots. He's gonna do it in a second, but this lady was like,
well, we were there, and then Caesar was actually flying his drone.
Kristen Dominique's husband
was flying his drone, and then I was like, okay, well, I guess I can fly mine too. So as soon as I took off, I got the drone, ready to go, and then it lifted off. Not even 5 minutes after. This lady came up to me, and then she was like, sorry to bother you, but could you not do that just because it's kind of like an invasion of privacy and stuff like that.
Ooh, if it was me, I understand and stuff, but like, did you not see like a big cabana with like?
And she was like, oh, I was gonna go to a manager and go, tell them, but I decided to go tell you instead. And I was like, thank you for telling me, but
if it was me, I would have been like, tell your manager, call your manager.
Exactly. But she's like, oh, I paid so much, just to stay here, and I don't want people like all up in my business. And I'm like, I was just thinking, oh, we're not even recording you, like, you're not even in the shot. So I mean, she was like, oh, it's an invasion of privacy. But we're recording you, so
it's whatever. Yeah. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoy the vlog. If the lady's watching, hey! By the way, you guys, thank you guys so much for 800,000 subscribers. I don't think I officially got to thank you in my vlog with Tart in Hawaii. I thank you guys for 700,000. Now I'm here with Benefit in Hawaii, and I hit 800,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. We are so close to 1 million, and I hit 1.4 million on my Instagram. That is so crazy. Thank you guys so much. This year has gone by. Pop in there. All right, you guys. So we got a bunch of Benefit goodies. I'm gonna try this Hide and Sheen concealer. It says industrial strength concealer, and this is in the shade number 2, and it comes with 2 shades. I don't know what the difference is. Oh, this is like a little bit, shimmery, but I think this is the actual concealer here. So I'm just gonna take this on a Morphe E26. I love this one because it has like a little flat side. Well, they're both flat. I mean, a tiny side and a big side. I thought Hawaii was gonna be like major hot, like we're in a volcano, but it's not. It's been pretty successful, pretty sweet. It is so hard to talk and do concealer at the same time because you want your highlighter to be on fleek. Y'all are probably like, god damn, that is a lot of concealer, but This is industrial strength, and I literally had my concealers ready. My favorite ones right now are Urban Decay, the Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. I love these, but then I thought I was gonna layer it on top of it just because I like them. This stuff is like pretty heavy. I started blending my chin with my G2 brush. It's like this brush is like a beauty blender on a stick. I love it. Yes. And by the way, this is how I do my makeup every day. I'm doing it a little bit more like Kardashian-like. I got an HD TV at home and I got Apple TV, so I've been watching the Kardashians on repeat just as like white noise in my house, and the TV is so HD I can see how their makeup is, so I've been loving their makeup because it looks so like Armenian. I want to look Armenian too, so not that I'm ashamed of being Filipino, I do, but they just look so snatched on the show that I want to bring my features up. And so that's what I'm planning on doing. Oh, by the way, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I need more of this stuff. They just need to make it cheaper, okay? Because this stuff is super pricey. So for me, I like to take the Laura Mercier and just use it like under the eye area. And then, since it is so expensive, I'm gonna take my Airspun and I'm just gonna take it and use it on the rest of my face to mattify everything else. And what I've been doing, I haven't been baking. I've just been baking this. Just for this trip, just to see. I like it. Because I want the cheeks to be like a little bit more dewy. Peter finds the dumbest stuff online. He's laughing next to me.
Paul sent this to us.
Show them up close. You are so silly.
Paul sent it to us.
Alright guys, so I primed my eyes and yeah, I'm just gonna take Makeup Geek shadows. I love Makeup Geek. Manny just launched his. I was gonna post my Manny Makeup Geek tutorial, but they were sold out, so I don't want to post it and then be like, haha, I have it, you don't. So I'll post it when the next launch comes out. So that's that. I'm gonna take my Sigma E40 brush. Manny is just so funny this trip. He's just so funny. Like, we all went swimming, we went in this cool like water elevator. He was just tanning away. And it's so funny because Peter's here with me. He's like helping me like get pictures and stuff. It's like really, really awesome. So Manny's like trying to like buddy up with Peter. Hey Peter, can you take my picture too? I'm like, nah. I look crazy. I look really crazy, but I'm gonna look beat, I promise. So the look that I'm inspired by today is very like Hawaiian bridal meets drag queen. Oh my gosh, you guys, there are so many amazing people here. Like, who do you guys want to see me collab with? There is Manny, obviously. Should we do another collab with Manny? There's also Kristen Dominique. Who else? Kristen Dominique, JD Wadey, Nicole Concilio. There's Allison Henry, Meredith Foster, I Love Sarai, Karen. Her name is Karen. Who else? Oh, Dulce Candy 87. Oh, Makeup by Mandy. Well, who do you guys want to see me collab with? Like, that'd be so fun. I want to be someone's face. So comment below who you want me to see. Who do you want? Comment below and tell me who you want to see me collab with. But yeah, the eyeshadows that I'm taking, if you guys are interested, this is like my go-to shadows, Frappe and Cream Brulee. Oh my god, you guys, you know what I've been so interested in? I've been so interested in signs. My sign is a Scorpio. November 11th is my birthday. Peter is a Pisces. Pisces I get along with really well. Manny is an Aries, so Manny and I, we obviously get along really well. We've never had like a huge fight, not yet, but we get along super well. So what is your sign? I always gravitate towards like Geminis. Do you guys believe in signs? Like, I do. I just like looking at personalities, but they do change depending on your age. You are interrupting me. I'm debating on whether I should go shimmery or non-shimmery, because I've been using Grandstand a lot. Let's go matte. Let's do this like creamy shadow. All right, you guys, so I had to do my mascara off camera, but obviously I will share with you what I used and the lashes that I am wearing. So I used my Shiseido lash curler with my roller lash, and then I used 2 pairs of Lily lashes in the style Monaco and I believe Mykonos, and you can use PatrickStarrr for 10% off. They're like #1 in the Middle East. I love these lashes so much. It comes in a little box like this. It has the Lichi on the back. Love them. I wear them like all the time. New Balance is a great brand too. Similar style, similar lashes, same price point. I need to show you guys like this ukulele. I do show it in my vlog, but literally, I don't know if you guys can tell. Is that me or what? Is that, oh my god, and I have breast and a snatched waist. This was so funny. So Manny got one too, and it's so funny. He has breasts too on his. I wish you guys could see it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see it in his vlog, but it is just so hilarious, and I think it's just so funny. But as you guys can see, I'm still cooking under the eyes. What am I gonna do next? I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer. Oh, I have this Hoola bronzer. Word on the street is that you may be able to personalize your own Hoola bronzer, maybe sometime soon. I'm excited. So awesome. I'm so bad at get readies with me. I'm so bad at doing these get ready with me videos, GRWM, because like I feel like there's just so much to talk about, like with makeup. I don't want you guys to like feel like I'm neglecting you and like missing a step. So I'm just gonna put this above my thing. But what else can we talk about? Everyone is super fun here. We got to go in the lazy river today. We got to just chill out around the pool, just order some drinks and food. It's been super fun. All right guys, do I look crazy or do I look crazy? I just took, I cannot speak today. I'm just so excited. I took my Marc Jacobs brush and my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder in the color 170. It's very similar to MAC's Studio Fix powder. I almost forgot what it was because I haven't used it. But Studio Fix to me, I hear all the time on YouTube and stuff and with customers, and I remember even on myself, it oxidizes and it's a very thick product. This is like thick, but it's like, es más suave. Este polvo es más suave. And it's more smooth, and I love it. I'm in the color 170. If you want to get more product, like kind of break it up and rub it and then pat it if you want more coverage. I just dust it simply to dust off my cooking powder and everything, and then I'll just blend a little bit of the contour. I won't put this under the eyes because this does have color payoff. It's super pigmented, it matches your skin tone, but if you work so hard on your concealer underneath and you put like your face powder on your highlighted areas, it will make it darker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my Studio Fix, my Pro Finish powder in a lighter color. This is the color 128. It's like the most universal color. If you guys are wanting to get into foundation and you're like a lighter, maybe a little bit darker than Manny, a little bit lighter than me color, then 128 is the perfect color in the foundation and also in the powder. This powder is great. I'm just gonna take this on the Pretty Girls brushes. It's like a solid tulip brush. Just gonna pack some on and then pack some under the eye. So I have two different shades, and I love it because I am a full coverage wearer. So I'm just gonna take this tulip brush and just pat this under the eye to brighten up. And also, if my eyeshadow is not clean, I will take this. I can't even tell which one is which. And then at the end, I know this is a lot of powder for some people, like the Laura Mercier, the Airspun, the full coverage powder. I'll take the Tatcha spray, the dewy misting spray, or any spray, and then just mist my face so all the powder just melds together. That's my secret, is that there is no secrets, just a lot of makeup. So I posted the picture like a couple weeks ago. Like a lot of you guys were saying like, oh yes, like praise the Lord Jesus. Makeup is like a one size fits all. Like I love that quote. I just came up with it when I had frustrations like shopping in the Beverly Center because it's like such a skinny bitch mall. Like I was like, you know what, at least I can buy makeup because makeup is a one size fits all. Yes! So just take that with you. Like makeup comes off at the end of the day. I just want to say, like for those of you that are scared, I've been getting a couple like comments here and there saying like, how do you get confident to wear makeup? Just remember that makeup comes off at the end of the day, and I'm your friend and I'm here for you, and that you can be beautiful, and you can be beautiful with makeup, without makeup, with lashes, without lashes. It's no different than what you eat, than what you wear. Dang, I'm giving you Simba realness right now. Let's blend. All right, I am looking crazy matte. But I want to introduce you guys my biggest fan here with me. Like they just knocked on my door and here they are. Hi, Peter.
I'm not his biggest fan.
But Peter is my older brother. Everyone is like, oh my god, you brought your older brother with you. I was like, oh, no. You are so sweet. So Peter wanted to jump in on this get ready with me. He's like, he's been painting his thumb all month with Formula X, and he's like, it's chipping. So he was like, can I please be on your nail so I can paint my nail too? So Peter's gonna join me right here and just paint as I paint my face. Who do you like so far on this trip, Peter? Let's gossip.
Everybody's really nice. I'm having a good time. It's a lot of fun.
Oh my god, so Peter was in the pool competing with Kristen Dominique's husband Caesar and I Love Sarai, Karen, like doing handstands. And then they were doing handstands and then Peter comes out of the pool and Peter's like, oh, I was like, what? Me, JD, Wadey, and Manny were sitting, and Nicole Concilio were sitting, they were like, oh, what happened? Peter's like, my muscle fell. Like, what did you say? Like, my muscle came out of the leg. It was tart blush. He was like, oh, how's your leg feeling now?
It feels, I mean, it's not too bad.
What color are you wearing?
So today I'm actually going to be using She Better Work.
I'm wearing She Better Work
Yeah.
on my nails with other formulas.
I've already used I'm a Lucky Star, and then I used...
It's not called I'm a Lucky Star, it's called Lucky Star. It's been up for a whole month. Like, you've seen the display so many times.
Lucky Star. And then
It's called I'm a Lucky Star. There's not even enough room on the bottle for it to write that. Rude.
Lucky Star. I'm sorry. And then I also used Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to be using She Better Work.
Alright you guys, we are almost done. I look really highlighted right now. It's because I don't have a lower lash line yet. So I'm going to take this small E17 brush with Shimma Shimma by Makeup Geek. It's a beautiful bright shadow. I put some down the nose because I'm just very drag like that. And then I put some on the inner corner right here. I don't know if you guys can tell. One of my favorite eyeshadows by Anastasia is called Dusty Rose. It's a very, very dusty rose color. It's like almost like a whirl. It looks like whirl to me. And I'm gonna take this with a E55 brush and just smoke out the lash line. You know what's so funny? Because we're gonna go snorkeling and earlier this morning, me and Peter decided that we're gonna go early at 8:30 in the morning, and then Manny had submitted to do a later, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon snorkeling. And then they asked us again in the cabana in front of Manny. And then I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do the morning one. And Manny's like, me too, I'm gonna do the morning one. Like, okay. Manny has like a cute little FOMO. Fear of missing out. Have you heard that before? FOMO.
No.
Like fear of missing out. Like you don't want to miss out on anything. So like, oh, she has FOMO. So Manny had FOMO.
He wants that footage.
He wants that footage. Okay. You heard it here first from Peter.
I'll give him the best footage. I mean, I'll give him footage that I take.
Alright you guys, so for my bottom lash line, I did Extended Play by MAC, and then I layered this itty bitty sample size of the They're Real mascara, like, to get me some big lashes. And then now I'm going to glow my skin. This is like my favorite part recently. I've been taking Gold Deposit with my favorite brush for highlighting. It's kind of like a scratchy brush to me. It's not scratchy, it's soft. But the way that it's cut, it's able to grind product. So I'm taking Gold Deposit, my favorite highlighter ever, and I'm just gonna put it right on top of the cheeks. Let me pose. Do you see that? Do you see that? Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. If you guys didn't know, I was like struggling. By the way, I'm holding this because I wanted to show you guys my lip color. My lip color is VIP by Tarte. It is a double-ended like lipstick and a lip gloss in one. I was going through it picking a bright color, but we're in Hawaii. I've been obsessed with just like lashes, glowy skin, yes, and like a nude glossy lip, and I think it's just so classic and pretty. I hope you guys enjoy this look. My outfit today is it's a jumper, but I have these cute, yes, waist, yes, and then I have these cute, there goes the ball sack, these cute like shorts that are embroidered. But yeah, that is that. I hope you guys enjoy this Get Ready With Me. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for 800,000 subscribers. We are so close to 1 million. And thank you, Benefit, for having this trip. Stay tuned for the vlog. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.